Let's get it. What up, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Let's go. You guys are so funny. No show, bro. I'm thinking the same thing, brother. It's been 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. You guys are good. I think you guys can go 2 minutes without me. Yeah, let's say boom. All right, we here. We active. What up? What up? What up? Good to see you guys. Come here. Let's share screen. Bada bing, bada boom. Last live of the week. Let's finish it strong. I got the chat open if hello, hello. Can you guys hear me better now? My bad. I had the wrong mic input. You alright? Can you guys hear me? Better now. Cool. Alright, yeah. Wrong thing was there. Alright, boom, guys. You guys can see we are back with another live stream. Hope you guys are ready. I need to reset my account. Yeah, get all that stuff ready. You guys should be doing that before stream. Shout out to everyone who's here on YouTube as well. What up, Sushant? Are you doing this next week? I do this every single day. Every day we're here trading. Let me actually pop this out so I can see when you guys on YouTube are here. Appreciate y'all for being here. There we go. Cool. There we go. I can't hear you. I think that's a you problem. All right, let's do a top-down analysis, guys. YM's kind of, buying up a bit, and NASDAQ had this big fall off, so it might give us a position. So let's start on NASDAQ. Let's go out to the hourly time frame. One thing that I was talking about is how, if you got these shorts this morning, great freaking job. We melted off a total of about 550 points. That is literally some generational money right there made today. So absolutely amazing shorts. If you guys caught them, you guys are rich. We go there, 1 hour, 30-minute. Well, okay, basically, actually, one more thing on the 1 hour though is that we melted a bunch. You look left, we took out these lows, but we haven't come down and taken out this major low right here. I can take this and move this to right here. Make sure this is on. Boom. Make it exact. I think that's like the target as to why or where I think price is heading towards. Is we melted. We might come back up a little bit like this, but ultimately I think we're coming down a bit more. So from there, let's go to like the 15. Kind of have this trend line building right here. Let's go to the 5. 5 starting to break, but you could see we kind of have a level of support kind of right there. So let's see what we think on NASDAQ. If we can come and maybe break here with some volume, we can go. But let's see. You guys can't hear me? Why is everyone saying no sound? Hello. Try and close down your guys' right. I was waiting for power, but let's go. Legacy wasn't loading. I have Legacy up right here. Legacy is most definitely loading. No sound on Legacy. YouTube is good though. Discord has no sound. If you guys have no sound, either reset Discord and rejoin, or anyone in Discord, can you guys tell them that there's also a YouTube link that they can come watch on YouTube? Shout out all my people on YouTube too. You guys are the goats. Let's come over here, guys. Let's pull up MNQ. Get the charts ready. Switch to YouTube. What up, what up, what up? Discord sound is good? Yeah, I don't know. You think real good? Get it. Hell yeah. I heard both sides. All right. Alright guys, I can't focus on the audio right now. Sorry, let's get back into the charts. So, come back over to here, NQ. We're kind of at this level right now. We can see if we push with some volume. What is this, the 15? This next 15 is what could give us this next kind of short opportunity. But that's if there's enough volume to push. If not, it could just range in between here. So, let's wait a second. Ooh, YM is flipping a ton. But there's no confirmation yet for YM, really. Still have this trend line kind of going up. Dang, we're starting to push here, guys. For some reason, I just feel like this is a falling knife as of now. Like, if we retest, maybe I'll give it a shot, but I'm not going to just YOLO into it to end the week. Got that waterfall and take my first pay. Let's go. LFF the bomb. Love it, bro. Hell yeah. Congrats. Let's do a payout interview. If you guys haven't gone and watched the recent payout interview, go and give it a watch, get some motivation, and then I hope to be doing a payout interview with all you guys also. Shout out everyone on YouTube. Let's see. US 30. US 30 is in just this minor little uptrend, so I don't really want to just sell right off the bat. NASDAQ had this uptrend as well, but it looks like we're now breaking that that trend line, starting to fall a bit. So it does look like we can give this a short, but I don't think we're just going to short from here all the way to here. I think we might get some sort of pullback, or we might look for an entry, and then from there, look for it. Go to YouTube. Oh, Luca, thanks for the interview. Yes, sir. We got that boy Casper in the chat too, killing it. Love to see it, bro. Can you reset if breached? If so, what happens? It means you just get a new account. If you reset your account, it'll get you a new account. Look at that retest too. Oh, this hourly just took out the previous hourly low. How do we do this? What you have to pay for? I learned the hard way. I mean, what do you like? I mean, I don't know. Did you think you just got a free account? I'm dead. All right, guys, we took out this previous hourly low, looking like we're getting a reaction. I'm not just gonna buy though right away or anything, but definitely good that we didn't give those shorts a chance, or else we would be sitting in some drawdown. What's the difference between a reset and renewing your account? It's the same thing. What do you mean? Yay, congrats on passing your funded. That's freaking awesome. Sheesh, 5 minutes starting to flip? Crazy. You pay again, correct? Not just free, yeah, not just a free reset, unfortunately. What's your weekend plans? Looking at some. I mean, Friday not too much, but Saturday is Valentine's. If you guys didn't know that, make sure you come on, boys. You guys should already know that. Get right. Um, and then Sunday back to it. Nice retest so far, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen here on NQ. Let's go to US 30. Yeah, US 30. All right, 15-minute just opened. Still just not. We're still in such an uptrend that I don't really want to touch US 30 just yet. NASDAQ on the other hand. Let's see what we got. What? You guys are crazy. What do you mean when you said the hourly lows? So basically, like if you go to the hourly, this previous hourly candle has a top and bottom wick where this hourly candle kind of pushed up, pushed down, and then it took out this previous hourly low, which like, you know, sometimes you could think like, okay, it's gonna break the hourly and continue. But I'm one of those people who like, you know, I talk about liquidity. I think above hourly and 4-hour highs and lows, there's a lot of liquidity sitting. That's why like a lot of the time, if it does lead to a breakout, I like to see if we retest and then re-breakout. I'd rather just wait for an extra confirmation than just hopping in. So I got a first decent dub. My eval secured, quick little 1600, and let's go. Sounds like a good day. So now at this point, we have two breakout areas. We have these lows over in here, and then we have the highs up in here. Now we're kind of just within these two, searching. YM's dropping, but like I said, YM's in an uptrend where I didn't want to just short an uptrend, right? Whereas like NASDAQ actually has retraced where I'm kind of both ways, where if we break out to the lows, I can maybe give the sells a chance because we know this is the hourly flip that we already broke out of. Or if we trade back above, we know that this was just a liquidation and we try to get in to the move higher. So I'm kind of into both. Squeeze, let's give it a chance. We're only 15 minutes in the session. Let's see. I'm on MNQ, guys. I got about, or I mean, how big is the stop loss today? Oh, a little bit bigger. Kind of two levels I'm looking at right now, guys. I can come in here, take care of the watermark too, so you guys can see a little bit better. But as we came and took out the hourly low, we retested in this counter or in this downtrend. Looks like we're going to lead to a new sell, which I'm looking at. All right, guys, I'm in 15 contracts, giving it a go, seeing if we can get some volume to take out these lows. We're just following market structure. If it rejects, I mean, I don't know what to say. We're following the downtrend. We already broke out the lows, retested, and rebroke. So let's see if we can lead to a little bit. Sorry, rejecting the bit. We didn't break out too nicely there, but let's see if we can continue. I feel like 20 contracts. I should have done 15 contracts, guys. So I'm gonna come in here and change it to 5. I'm going to come in here and what am I gonna do? I'm going to buy off 5 more contracts. Boom, just to close a little bit and let the 15 go just in case it does reverse. Close a little bit of partials there, but it's only because our stop is bigger than usual. Starting to break out. You guys see my P&L up in here. I closed a little bit there, but let's see if we can continue. Those are starting to go. Right click, put my buy stop in this area. And looking for if we can continue. I'm gonna go stops to break even right now, guys. All right, risk-free trade. We're starting to dump, sitting up 600 right here. I'm gonna come and change this back to 5, and I'm gonna close some partials here at target 1. All you have to do is press buy, and that's going to close 5 contracts. You guys can see we closed partials and now have the rest running. Price TB smashed. Target 1. Let's see if we can continue lower to our target 2. W's in the chat, guys. Partials closed, stops to break even. Oh, remember that I put this at 15, so you gotta come back in here and change this actually to 10. Stops to break even. Nice W. Buy stop and come put this at break even. Partials closed. Rest at break even. Let's go W. Yes, sir. Great way to end the week. Hopefully we can continue. Has good downside. Thank you, Luca. Yes, sir. Can we get some W's in the chat, guys? Who's here? Who's here? Come on. Stop playing. More W's. Come on. We got 170 guys here. Come on, more W's in the chat. Nice way to end the week. W's in the chat here. We hop over here. Shorts on US 30. I'm looking for this continuation. I think we're just coming back up. There we go. Big W's. Like I said, guys, if you guys are not coming over to the stream, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out on all these profits. So let's go. Great way to end the week. Power hour killed. And let's see what we can do during Asia later. Finish the week up. Let's go. Peace out. W's. I already closed my partials, guys, so I'm letting the 10 contracts still just run. Once we get up some more profits, we can close some more partials, but as of now, that's what we're working with. We could change this to 5, just in case. Let's go, David W. How do I get my consistency level to go down? Go and look at whatever your biggest day was and try and get more profits close to that day. If you made, you know, $2,000 in one day, but then all these other days you're only making $200, $300, that's why your consistency is high. If you go and make more profits, you know, different days, it's going to lower your consistency. Have a nice evening, Luca. Yes, sir. I'll see you guys back during Asia. I think we're going to short some more, guys. You can see P&L up in here. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys something right here. I'm gonna right click and put a buy stop for 5 contracts. I'm going to trail it right here. As price dumps, I'm moving it up. If price kind of reverses, oh there, boom, it took me out. Boom, partials closed. It is something that I do like to do where I trail basically the stop with price, where if it keeps dumping, I'll keep making profits. But as soon as it kind of reverses like it did, it closed me out. So let me come over into here, change this back over to 5. And profit and risk-free trade, guys. Partials closed, rest running, 5 contracts left over. W's in the freaking chats. M600 today is a wise night. Wait till Asia. Yeah, so basically after power hour here, guys, when we go into Asia is the new day. So, yeah. Shout out everyone on YouTube too. If you guys do not know, I'm live here every single day during power hour. So make sure you guys always are here, tuned in. The Discord is in the chat. If you guys want to join the Discord, if not, you guys can tune into YouTube too. But every single session covered. Price still dumping. Let's see if we can get this target too. Hell yeah. Up $4 grand. Let's go. Love, brother. Sick. Nice shorts. We could even trail price even tighter like this if we wanted to. You see, like right like here. Big W's, guys. If you don't know, we're here every single day. If you guys don't have your legacy accounts too, go get your legacy accounts. Use code LUCA for 15% off, so that like when I do get into trades and stuff like this, you guys can be in with me, make profits. You guys see what contract size I'm getting in, all that type of stuff. So yes, sir. Increase the W, yes, sir. Rejecting the trend line too, continuing the downtrend. Where can go? Luke, I almost entered with you, but I just wanted the top wick to form. I mean, brother, it did form. I don't know what top wick, because I'm the top wick king. I always wait for top wicks. On the 5-minute, I see a wick. Brother, I'm the top wick king. If there was no top wick, I probably wouldn't have wanted to enter either. That's tiny. It's still there, though. I only say if there's 0. I see no wick on my chart. That's why I say to trade legacy, bros. You won't be trading boo freaking brokers or anything. You're trading actual price. Real data feed. If you guys got any questions or anything, let me know. Like I said, great way to end the week. Easy. Luke, is on the futures chart here on Forex.com? I assume no. What do you mean? Forex.com, like I said, is also not. Like, go look up actual futures exchange. Look up CME exchange. Look up COMEX. Wouldn't a top wick encourage us to sell like sellers took over? Why was he worried about a top wick? He was worried that there wasn't a big enough top wick. So yeah, usually if there's a big top wick and it rejects, then it's just a better confirmation for the sells. When's the trade copier coming out? Soon. Working on it. Once again, you guys got to think. Got to make it bulletproof, because it's going to be getting in on one and copying over the exact contracts, getting in and out with the exact price, making it the best. Are you trading later on Mamba's Discord? Yes, sir. You talk about how the payouts work, Luca? Yes. So if you guys have a legacy account and you guys are eligible for a payout, all you need to do is do 5 days of $200 profit. You guys see how we made, I mean, right here, we're still floating 300, but we closed 500 or whatever. You just need 5 days over $200 profit. It doesn't have to be in a row. It just has to be in total. Once that, and you're eligible for a profit, inside of your dashboard, there is a section that says payouts, where you click on it, it'll show what you're eligible for, and you request it right there on your dashboard. You pick how you want to be paid, and then you get it sent to you. Easy as that. Still going, guys. TB2 about to be smashed. Boom! Dumping. TP2 destroyed, guys. I'm closing 2 more contracts. Boom. 2 more contracts, so we have 3 left. Oh yeah, it's rejecting hard. Nice closure. And then put in 3 contracts at break even. Close a little more partials. That was beautiful. Big W's, guys. Go put your profits in the win section and the members profit section. Super simple payouts, and the payouts are quick. Yes, sir, George. George just got a payout, guys. You guys haven't got any questions? Can you make more than 200 a day? Yes, that's just the minimum. Where you going? Gotta be done. All right, guys. How much? You still dumping? Oh, we did take out these lows. Yeah, guys, I'm closing full here. Closing full, flat and all. We out. Boom. 850 on the account with you guys today. Congrats anyone who did get in and killed it. Such a good way to end the freaking week. Shout out to everyone who came through the stream. This is you guys' first time here. I always say keep coming back. You guys are the goats. I'll see you guys later in Asia if you're a part of the kingdom. If not, guys, I'll see you guys back next week for some freaking W's. Like I said, go to legacyfundedfutures.com, get your guys an account, use code LUCA for 15% off. Let's go, Sosa, you the GOAT. Yes, sir, big W's. I appreciate y'all. Nice little retest to continue going if you guys are holding. Sheesh, we're going. Love y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Peace out, gang. If you guys need anything, let me know.